Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on a minute. Pop that open. You're doing it all wrong. So you push, it actually sticks too. So say if there's certain things that you just don't want to use a cover for and it's just chilling in here taking up space, you can just pop it up there and it'll stick.
Okay.
And then when you're done, you can collapse it all the way down.
This is amazing.
Pretty
Are
smart,
you freaking
right?
kidding me?
Yeah, it's got vents on the top too. It's BPA safe, so it's not going to leach plastics into your food.
I
Pretty sweet,
love
huh?
this thing.
Yeah, they just came out with these by Hover Cover. If you want to pick one up for yourself, I'll link it here to this video.